What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the Epson SureColor T3170 24-inch wireless desktop printer, a powerhouse of a device that's about to revolutionize the way you print. This incredible bundle includes not just the printer, but also an Ethernet cable, a USB cable, and a fiber cloth, making it a complete package for all your printing needs. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you, this printer is a game changer. With its ability to seamlessly connect to your devices and produce stunning, high-quality prints, it's the perfect tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. One of the standout features of the Epson SureColor T3170 is its wireless connectivity. Equipped with Wi-Fi 4, 802.11n, this printer enables you to print directly from your smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. But that's not all. It also supports Wi-Fi Direct, which allows devices to connect directly without the need for a router setup. And with USB and Ethernet options available, you can integrate this printer into your network with ease. Imagine being able to print your documents and photos from anywhere in the office or at home, without having to worry about cables or complicated setup processes. It's a level of freedom and flexibility that's hard to beat. But what really sets the Epson SureColor T3170 apart is its printing capabilities. Featuring Epson's PrecisionCore TFP printhead with Precision Droplet Control and nozzle verification technology, this printer delivers sharp, vivid prints at an impressive resolution of up to 2400 by 1200 dpi. And with Ultra Chrome XD2 archival pigment inks, you can be sure that your prints will last for years to come, with vibrant colors that remain true to the original. Whether you're a graphic designer, photographer, or simply someone who wants to print out high-quality photos, this printer has got you covered. The level of detail and precision is stunning, and the colors are so rich and vivid that you'll feel like you're looking at the real thing. Another key feature of the Epson SureColor T3170 is its media handling capabilities. This printer supports roll media up to 24 inches wide and sheets up to 11 inches by 17 inches via the auto sheet feeder. And with a built-in high-speed rotary cutter that includes a user-replaceable blade, you can automatically cut roll prints for clean, professional results. The compact design of the printer fits comfortably on desks or optional stands, making it the perfect addition to any office or home workspace. And with a bright 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen, navigating and managing your print jobs is easier than ever. You can easily select the type of media you're using, choose your print settings, and monitor the progress of your print job, all from the convenience of the touchscreen. In terms of productivity, the Epson SureColor T3170 is a real powerhouse. With high-capacity ink cartridges that can hold up to 50 milliliters of color ink and 80 milliliters of black ink, you can print for hours without needing to replace the cartridges. And with fast setup times, you can be up and running in as little as 30 minutes, and rapid print speeds, you can get your work done quickly and efficiently. Whether you're printing out documents, photos, or graphics, this printer can handle it all with ease. And with its ability to print A1/D size prints in just 34 seconds, you can get your work done faster than ever before. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor T3170 24-inch wireless desktop printer is an incredible device that's perfect for anyone who needs high-quality prints. With its wireless connectivity, stunning print quality, and versatile media handling capabilities, it's the perfect tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. And with its fast setup times, rapid print speeds, and high-capacity ink cartridges, it's a real productivity powerhouse. So if you're in the market for a new printer, be sure to check out the Epson SureColor T3170. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing device. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you work